Dry shampoo, an oily, greasy girl's best friend. For the longest time, the option of dry shampoo that I personally used was your standard, aerosol dry shampoo. The only problem with these is that they do typically contain a drying alcohol. If you are looking for an effective curly hair friendly option, I've got 5 options for you. First option is the Verb Dry Shampoo Powder. This is what application looked like, pretty messy. This is the before, and here is the after. I would say it worked pretty well. Next, we have the Acure Dry Shampoo. Again, application is pretty messy, but this is what the before was looking like, and this was the after. Now we have My Hair Dance Volumizing Dry Shampoo. I really liked the application, and this was by far my favorite before and after. Now we have Pros. Application a little messy, but not terrible. And my hair was super greasy before. I would say Pros did a pretty good job. The last option is my favorite and most affordable, but definitely the most messy. Standard baby powder works great as a dry shampoo. This is what it looked like before, and here's the after. If you want more detailed information, check out my YouTube video. You get all the info about